Hey guys, it's me, Surferbrg. Started the line's not the best, and decided to do a little mirror reflection video. But yeah, I had to come down to my hometown last minute, Oceanside, to take care of some important stuff. So I figured I didn't go much on adventure today because I was mostly just doing like important stuff. Didn't want to screw around. But second time staying at this Rodeway Inn, and actually it's so far one of my favorite hotels in Oceanside, inside my hometown, and it's really cheap. Well, actually, I got the room for free thanks to my Choice Hotels membership. It's free. That's what I get from racking up too many points after attending so many conventions in the past. So anyway, I'll give you guys a little room tour. Sorry the line's not the best. Some of the lights didn't work. So first of all, this room is like massive. Like here's a door. Made sure it was locked. Still all the stuff. Here's a little walk-in closet area. And in here is the bathroom, which is, whoa, it's really nice actually. It's fancy sink. There's the toilet. Yes, I did use it earlier because I wanted a clean shower because of, COVID. With COVID going on, even though I'm on top of the face mask, gotta give yourself a clean after going out and about. So overall, the bathroom's like really spacious. This room is like, like really massive. Like, here's a little desk area, but I kind of ended up moving it to over here since there's like a counter space. And yeah, and I decided there's my Chromebook set up. Had to, get a little internet. Didn't bring a game consoles, but I would like to at least double check stuff. There's an area. There's so much room that I could just put my stuff. So there's a lot of my luggage, just a few bags of stuff. I need to make sure I finish up packing tonight. There's a nightstand, and I got the spacious king size bed. Actually, it's like really huge actually. And right here, here's its TV with a mini fridge and a microwave. Yeah, start the line's not the best. It's really dark, but overall, nice area set up, scene area. There's a scene area which I kind of had to move because I wanted to see the TV. Another nightstand, and there's a spacious. But the best part was I got the ocean view, so it's really dark. But sorry if you see my reflection. It's really dark, but I got a good view of the ocean outside. And over here, I don't know what this is for, but there's some more empty space right here with the light, the fan and stuff. But honestly, I really gotta have to say this, but this room is like really spacious. It's like huge, and yeah, don't know what else too much to say, but I actually like this room. It's actually really cool. So yeah. So other than that, not too much to say right now. So Surf's not the best, and Start the Line's not the best. I couldn't even get some of these lights to turn on, so right now I just had to turn on just these two and stuff. But I'll be turning off some of these soon. And Start the Lighting's not the best. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this little room tour of the Rodeway Inn. And the best part is I like the ocean view. Even when I checked into my room and I opened the window, I was like, oh. Yeah, but anyway, so not much to say. But I figured I'll do this video for you guys. So, oh man, just watch the train walk go by. Yeah, we're not far from the train station either, so you can see a train go by. Oceanside's been one of my favorite hometown. It's actually a place where I was born and raised before I ended up in Hawaii. But don't want to get too much. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this room tour of Rodeway Inn in Oceanside, California. See you guys later.